Hello. Today we are talking about and discussing about the novel entitled as Azadi, written by Chaman Nahal. Chaman Nahal, commonly known as C. Nahal, was an Indian-born writer of English literature. He was widely considered as one of the best exponents of Indian writing in English and is known for his work Azadi, which is set on India's independence and her partition. He is also known for his depiction of Mahatma Gandhi as a complex character with human failings. Uh, Chaman Nahal was born in Sialkot in pre-independence India, a province in the present-day Pakistan in 1927. After having his school education locally, he did masters in English of University of Delhi in 1948. He continued his education as a British Council scholar of the University of Nottingham in 1959 to 1961 and obtained a PhD in English in 1961. During his education, he works as a lecturer. In 1962, he joined Rajasthan University, Jaipur as reader in English. The next year, he moved to New Delhi as professor of English at the University of New Delhi and retired from there as the head of the department. He was a Fulbright fellow of Princeton University, New Jersey, and served as a visiting professor at various universities in the United States. Uh, Azadi portrays beautifully a horror of the partition and colossal violence that still haunts the India's psyche. It concentrates on the exodus of millions of refugees from Pakistan and on aftermath of the partition. The novel is very suitably divided into three parts. Part one, the lull. Part two, the storm, and part three, the aftermath. Chaman Nahal Azadi is a modern classic which reveals an elusive revelation of life, signifies the chaos that partition played on the people of the country, both at the social and individual levels. It portrays the realistic historical documents of the atrocious confrontations caused by the partition through literary perspective as Chaman Nahal himself was a refugee. He writes his incredible ingress and realism. Therefore, he has written his own experience through the character of Lala Kashiram and his son Arun. The novel is about the mum environment before the declaration of partition, the awful incident caused by the partition, and the wretched circumstances of the destination of refugees after the partition. Chaman Nahal is in his novel did not try to criticize one religion against other, Muslim against Hindu. In the way Nahal not only objectify the personal experience but also present a deliberate contamination of the historical which detected the situational discursive elements. The novel has been given artistry unity and beauty by the three parts. The three separate parts are pregnant with the profound symbolic meanings. The lexical meaning of full and lull is closely symmetrical of symbolic meaning conveyed in the novel Azadi. The word lull signifies calm. Calm is mere uh, deception because it has been associated with fear and doubts. The section lull, the novelist has presented the life of a Hindu minority living in the majority dominated Muslim in the Sialkot. The part 2 storm is full of violence. The storm destroyed the life of every Hindu individual. In his part, the life of Hindu refugees suffered badly. They had to endure physical separation from their near and dear one. They were earlier killed to abducted, and the anguish and pain has swept their life before reaching the India side. Dara Baba Nanak. In the section Aftermath, the novelist has depicted the unending suffering of and pain of Hindu refugees in Pakistan. They had to face corruption. They were humiliated by the people of India. These Hindu refugees lost everything in Pakistan except life. The India, these Hindus lost their prestige and honor. The three parts, lull, storm, and aftermath, are closely intertwined, and they conveys symbolic meaning attached with the main theme of novel. Thank you.